Amy here with Garden Up. It is a beautiful, sunny, crisp fall day, and it is time to do some things with our rhododendrons. So I wanted to talk a little bit about their blooming cycle and what to do in the fall, or what I do in the fall with mine. So first off, rhododendrons bloom in the middle of the spring, but they're setting bud right now. So this right here is a bud that will open up, it will swell and it'll open and it'll bloom next spring. And you know, it'll be big and gorgeous and pink and all the wonderful loveliness of rhododendrons. But right now, the plant is absorbing a lot of blooming nutrients, that good old potassium and phosphorus and all the good things that it needs in order to bloom. So in the fall, when it's setting bud, I like to give it a nice bloom boosting fertilizer. I use Alaska Morbloom on pretty much all of my flowers because it works and it's a good clean product. It's not labeled organic, but it's naturally sourced, so that's close enough as far as I'm concerned for this. For my flowers, I wouldn't use it in my vegetables. Okay, so I pour it all over the leaves because it's absorbed dermally as well as through the roots. And if you pour it on the leaves, it'll actually drip down right onto the drip line where those feeder roots are. Okay, so shake well. We want perennials, okay? Mix 2 tablespoons per gallon for every 25 square feet of soil, which is about what this is. So I'm gonna mix 1 gallon, which is half a watering can. One-eighth cup is the same as 2 tablespoons. I can't find any of my tablespoon measures, so here we go. Alright, so thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button below. If you have any questions about it, or if you have a suggestion for future gardening videos, let me know by leaving a comment down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the notification bell so you get an alert when new videos are posted. I'll be posting every Friday through winter. In the spring, we will resume Flower Friday and Weed Wednesday, and I'm also going to be starting a vegetable garden series next year. Now that all the flower gardening stuff is done and the purpose of the channel is fulfilled, what's next? Let's talk veggies. Okay, so on that note, I want to thank my employee Isabella for helping me film, and I will see you in the garden.